In this use case, we will create a new masking policy to protect patient name and his or her phone number. Enter policy name and description details. Please select policy type as data masking. Choose columns that needs to be masked by their names or by their classification. To choose columns by name, first select Database. Then choose Schema Names. Select Table or View Names. And finally, the column names that needs to be masked. After selecting column names, now choose the masking pattern. Here I am choosing plain text as masking pattern with masked value as redacted. Now choose the conditions that will unmask above column data for the condition matched users. The condition can be defined based on role name, user attribute, or column names. Here is the first condition is unmask for user who has a role healthcare admin. Click on Add Condition link below to add more conditions. Choose the conjunction operator, which can be or and. Here I am choosing as and. Next condition is based on user attribute. Choosing an user attribute called country. The column list will show all common columns from the tables for which masking columns being selected. This condition is match the user attribute country with column name country. After defining the policy and its unmasked conditions, click on Review Policy. After successful validation of policy definition, the policy is ready for deployment. Click on Deploy button to deploy the policy.